Hey guys, we are here at Yellow Creek, yes, Yellow Creek Park, where they want to welcome you as well as I want to welcome you. I want to thank you guys all for coming. We're going to go check this park out. I want you guys to enjoy the show, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share this. So we're going to go check out Yellow Creek right now. I want to get excited. I'm like ready. Bye. Thought I'd let you know we're going to go on the train crossing right here in front of us. So I want you guys to know that you can come down here. You can enjoy yourself. You can also walk the park. There's some unique stuff down here in this park. So I'm just letting you guys know that we can actually come. And you guys can come too as well. You can come here. We're going to kind of start with the small one. Look at that. 6123. You see that beautiful tree? Jeez, my big old head. Let me get my head out the way. It's locked. But you also have that one. But yeah, man, this is pretty cool. Like being able to do this and enjoy the sunlight. This is L&N. Here's another location as well. No swimming and no boating. But you can walk out here. My big old head. Look at that. That's just beautiful. So we're getting ready to go on this trail right now. Everything I can show you while we're here. So we're kind of going across the bridge right now. It's like a walking bridge. As you know, you can kind of see down here. It looked like there used to be like a little stream. But I definitely got to show you this. So like a nice walking park. It even says right here, welcome to Yellow Creek Nature Center. So I guess that's either up the hill. But I want to check out something over here as well. So I don't think it's a real long, but here's another bridge that we're going over as well. Over the creek. So I definitely want you guys to see what it's like to be in nature. It's like a little I think it's about a 15-20 minute walk, but we're gonna make it short so you guys can see this. Uh-oh, look like we're getting close to something. So we're gonna check out this. You can either go up the steps like me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just take the steps. Woohoo! We're heading down more of the trail. Guys, we're here. We made it to the one and only big bridge before we get to what we're gonna show you. So if you guys are not used to this, it's like a little walking suspension bridge. It's a little squirrely. Woo! I'm talking about long. It's swinging. Woohoo! We found this bridge. I've been looking for it. So now I know. Woohoo! Yes, now we're heading. Hey guys, for checking out part of this. I want you to see this as well. What are you guys doing? What do you think? We're inside of here. I guess this is where they kept some of the animals. So other than that, we're gonna check out some more. We're getting ready to go inside of here where they actually keep some of the farm equipment. So I want you guys to kind of like come in here with me as you see what we're getting ready to see. So I want you guys to see some of this. Like some of the farm equipment. Ow! I hurt myself.
You okay?
Some of the farm equipment. Back again, this is we're inside of the large log cabin, or it's part of the where they kept some of the animals. So I just want to let you know I'm inside of here. Walk around. See the chain that you hear. So other than that, like I said, we're gonna check out a little bit more stuff that's here. I'm gonna hide real quick. Boom! We should even try to close the door. See if we can close the door. But you guys will watch me close this door. As you know, it can be open, but I also want you to see me close it. See, you can close it. We're gonna go check out this cabin. But as you can see, I'm up here checking out this. I know it's closed for the day. Yeah, it's closed, but you guys, I'm letting you look around it. Trying to get some sun. Hey, you can even go on this side. This is a log cabin right here. I want you guys to see some of this. Front porch. This is some old school stuff. Hey, there's another cabin. Let's go. Little fun fact, I'm gonna tell you a little bit of about Julius Rosenwald. He actually created this school, which was a one-room school, and in the early fall of 1919, it was attended by the African American students that were enrolled between 1 and 8th grade, or first grade is what we always say, 1 to 8, so first grade. And it's also, like they say, it's Pleasant Ridge. It's more than 1,000 rural Davis County students that graduated from this school as well. So you guys just got a little fun and history facts. So other than that, we're getting ready to head to another location. This is CJ the Traveling Man. We'll be right back. Hey guys, thank you for coming on this tour with me in this little trail, which is part of the Yellow Creek Park. Like, it's a beautiful park. Like, this is something I would want to do all year round. Winter, summer, spring, and fall. Like, I'm here in the fall season, but like I said, 3 more seasons. I mean, I could do this all the time. Like I said, there's some beautiful things to see here. The bridges are awesome that are here as well. So I want to thank you all for taking the time to see what I'm seeing through my eyes as well. And I want to thank you all as well for the love, support, everything that you do for me every single time and every day that you watch one of my shows. So other than that, we're going to say peace, love, and harmony. Other than that, this is CJ the Traveling Man. Thank you all. Thank you all for everything that you do for me every single day. Other than that, we're getting ready to head to another park. I'm just taking a little break before I get into the car. But thank you all. Definitely thank you all for everything we do every single day. So other than that, Let's go to another.